Hello, welcome to Tenorshare channel. Got a new phone and want to restore WhatsApp from your backups? Among all the solutions, here is a simple one. Using iPhone. Here is how it works. To start, attach your phone to the computer. Click Backup and Restore icon. Then go to WhatsApp Backup and Restore field. Then Restore WhatsApp. All of your WhatsApp backups will be listed here. Select one and click Restore to Android to proceed. Make sure you have logged into WhatsApp on the phone. The backup is in process. Just a few minutes away. Here, tap Backup My Data on your Android device. Then tap Restore My Data. Well done! Now let's check out the device. That's it! Thanks for watching. To download iPhone, check out the link in the description below. For more tips, subscribe to the Tenorshare channel, go to tenorshare.com, or click another video to keep watching now.